Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn about Spotify Wrap not working fix. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to see your 2023 wrap, so if you're not showing onto your end, so there are actually some tips in here that might work onto your end. So the first tip in here is you'll just need to head onto your Spotify. So usually if you're not seeing the button in here that the Spotify wrap is already in, you could actually see that one here onto the notification. So if you're still not yet seeing that one in there, you could go ahead and restart your phone, or also you could go ahead and reinstall the app for that one into the App Store or Play Store. So if still not yet showing, you could go ahead and head onto your local browser, type in there spotify.com/wrap, and you might be able to see it onto the browser. And that's just basically it onto fixing Spotify wrap not working. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.